Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's Foodie Friday, and if you've seen the description, you know exactly where we're going. It's Banana Muffin Day, or you could say it's a cupcake. Wherever you are in the world, whatever you think it is, to me, it's just a small cake. Yeah, I'm a professional baker. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, your recipe is in the description below the video. That's down here. And every so often you'll see links going across up here. Now those links are other videos or playlists. And also down in the description you will find playlists as well. They are recipes waiting for you guys. Use them or lose them, as they say. Right, we'll get right on with the recipe. And for your ingredients, you want 164 grams of plain flour, 51 grams of dark brown sugar, 51 grams of light brown sugar, 130 grams of banana, 6 grams of baking powder, 80 grams of egg, 125 grams of milk, and 62 grams of melted butter. And also for your recipe, you want a muffin tray or a cupcake tray and some papers to go in it. And this recipe is most likely going to make 7. It's now time to put your oven on. Now your oven temperature wants to be 190 Celsius, and these are going to bake for around about 20 to 25 minutes, give or take. But it is important to get that preheat oven on, because this recipe doesn't take long to do. Because once you've weighed everything up, it's basically a straightforward mix, and into the tin and into the oven. Right, we'll get on with the mixing. Now the first thing we do is put all our dry ingredients into the bowl, but we sieve everything first. And all you need to do is just get your hand in there and go round and round. And this is much better than using spoons and all that rubbish. Because you use that part here and it's just round and round. And if you've got any odd lumps, don't worry too much about it. In fact, squeeze them apart in your hands like that and they'll just disappear. Give this a good stir around so all your ingredients is mixed fully in. And make a well. Now for your wet ingredients, put your milk in and your eggs. Now give this a good whisk round. Now add in your butter. Mix that in well. Our dry ingredients again. Now all we're going to do is pour this into the middle. And very carefully fold it in. All you're doing with this is just covering the dry ingredients. Not going to go and whip it up. Just fold it in, just to cover. Now add in your bananas and just fold them in. And that's that. It's your muffin tray with your papers. Now what a good idea is get yourself one of these. They're like a miniature cup, 80 ml. And that's just right for these, just to fill. You see it just goes in like that. Right, we can get these straight into the oven. And it's best to bake them in the middle of the oven so the extra temperature goes around them. And halfway through the baking, turn it round. Now the muffins are in the oven, so they are going to take around about 25 minutes to bake, give or take. It all depends on your oven. You know your oven better than I do. But just remember, halfway through, turn them round. It's just to get that nice even bake. Right folks, our banana muffins are ready. We'll go and get them out of the oven. As soon as your muffins come out of the oven, all we need to do is pop them onto a wire. Now don't they look good? Yummy, yummy. But there you go, folks. Wasn't that nice and easy? Banana bread as a muffin or a cupcake. Whatever you decide, it's your choice. To me, I just enjoy eating them with a nice cup of tea. Spot on. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check the description down here where you'll find your recipe and lots of other things, including playlists of lots and lots of recipes that I've got down there. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!